This is John. John is a farmer with a lot of tractors and equipment on his farm. John has always been skeptical of solutions that seemed too good to be true. I've never bought modules because I was afraid they wouldn't work. John's neighbor, Farmer Frank, has an Ag Diesel Solutions module on his tractor he bought from Area Diesel Service. Over morning coffee, Frank brags about his increased productivity in the field. With the module, I pull over 1 mile per hour faster without lugging, and the tractor runs 20 degrees cooler. Frank explains how the module comes with a lifetime warranty and impressive increases in torque and horsepower. John has listened to a lot of sales pitches, but he knows that he can trust his friend Frank. John decides it's time to contact Area Diesel Service and try Ag Diesel Solutions for himself, especially since these modules do not defeat or delete any emissions controls. After purchasing and installing his module, John immediately becomes a believer. Now I won't have a tractor without one. Because of the Ag Diesel Solutions module, John's tractors cover more acres per hour while using less fuel. A feat which impresses John's friends, keeps more money in John's wallet, and makes John and his family very happy. To show his appreciation, John pays for Frank's coffee most mornings. Increased productivity is just a call or click away. 1-800-637-2658 or shop.areadieselservice.com.